Welcome back to Fixing Expert. In today's video, we're going to show you how to completely transform your old sofa with some simple DIY upholstery techniques. Whether your sofa is looking a little worn or you're just ready for a fresh look, this step-by-step guide will help you give it a brand new life. Step 1. Gather your materials. First things first, you'll need a few materials: upholstery fabric, staple gun, fabric scissors, upholstery foam, if needed, and a screwdriver to remove any sofa components. Always pick a fabric that complements your home style. Step 2. Remove old fabric. Carefully remove the old fabric from your sofa, making sure to keep the pieces intact. You'll use these as templates for cutting your new fabric. Unscrew any parts like legs or arms for easier access. Step 3. Cut and attach new fabric. Now, lay out your new fabric and cut it according to the template of your old pieces. Use your staple gun to secure the fabric, starting from the center and working out to avoid wrinkles. Step 4. Add upholstery foam. If your sofa cushions have seen better days, now is a good time to replace the foam. Cut the new foam to size and wrap it with the new fabric for a comfortable and stylish upgrade. Step 5. Reassemble and finishing touches. Reattach any parts you removed earlier and smooth out the fabric. Add some cushions or decorative throws, and just like that, your sofa looks brand new. Shop now, Fixing Expert. Looking for top-quality upholstery fabrics and tools? Visit fixingexpert.ae to browse our collection of DIY upholstery supplies. Whether you need fabric, foam, or the perfect finishing touches, we've got everything you need for your next project. That's it for today's DIY upholstery project. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more home improvement tips from Fixing Expert. Head over to our website, fixingexpert.ae, to check out more DIY tips and tricks. See you next time.